how to add any custom image as your background image in header. So right here in your Wix website editor, first you want to click on your header, click on 2 times, and then click on this change header design. And then on the fill color on opacity, you want to click on it. And then you want to make sure your background is transparent right here by make it on 0%. And then after that, you want to add section below your header. And then after that, you want to go to your top left of your screen and then choose on add element. And then you want to go to strip right here. You want to click on it. And then you can just choose anything. But I choose this one for the image. Don't worry, it's just a template and you can change the image later. And then after that, you want to click on the strip and then choose on change background right here. And then right here on the strip background, you can also just choose any image that Wix has prepared for you, or you can upload your own image by click on this image and then just choose any image that you like, or you can just upload the media to upload your own image, but I choose from this Wix right here. I want to choose this one, lot of pencil, and I want to make it as my strip background. And right here, after that, you want to make sure to custom the size of the strip, almost the same size as your header, by clicking on this one to adjust it. And then after you adjust your strip, the same size as your header, you want to click on the header. And then you want to choose tools right here at the top right of your screen. And then you want to make sure on the toolbar, you want to turn it on and then go back. And right here, you want to choose on this arrange right here. And you want to make sure your header is at the front. Right here, bring to front. And then after that, you want to merge your strip to the header. You just want to hold and drag the strip all the way to header until the word said that attached to a header. And there you go. You can also adjust it like here. And after that, you want to click on the strip and do a right click on it. And you can see these overlapping items. You want to click on it and then choose to see all layers. And then right here on the strip, you want to hold and drag it all the way to the top at the header. And there you go. Now your header will have the background image. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.